What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars. Hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world, and yeah, thanks a million for clicking on the video. Do check out my other videos. We're basically a car discussion channel. On today's episode we'll just be covering Savage Garage, Goon Squad and RDBLA and a few others as well. And also, guys, if you want, please do smash the subscribe button, the like button, get involved, do comment below as well. I was going to do comments Sunday today, but there hasn't been really any comments to do, so if we get some comments obviously through the videos through next week, I'll definitely do it. And I do try and plan to try and get a video out every week. This week it isn't my full-time job, but I will plan to do it, guys. I really want to aim for 7 days next week as well. And if you want to message me on Instagram, guys, and any news or anything or videos you want me to check out, or if you want to come on for a podcast, do hit me up on my Instagram as well. Follow me there. I just post about cars and stuff also. So we're going to jump into today's video. We're going to kick it off with Goon Squad. Their latest video was then finishing the Raptor that they completed and just going through the prices that they ended up kind of completing it on. They basically paid $42,500 for it and they got it done. They were all in for, I think, less than $70,000, and it would cost you $65,000. They were saying if you were to get it done from the actual, if you get it done properly repaired with labour and stuff, which is crazy. But then they came across a friend's Hurcan Evo that's been crashed, and they're basically asking people what would they think about them doing the Hurcan Evo build. Now, we do know that they've already done a Hurcan build, but not an actual Evo build. So question to you guys, what do you think about them doing the Evo build? Do you want them to do it, or do you want them to do something different? I mean, like, because they've already done the Hurcan build, the Evo, I suppose it'd be cool to see them do it. But if they were going to do it, I would like to see them go like balls out, do something completely different to the Hurcan, like really push the boat out on the Evo build. And if they just rebuilt it and slapped a set of wheels on it, I'd be just like, but it's Goon Squad, so they're going to get the views anyway, no matter what they decide to do. It's a cool grey colour. I like the grey and yellow combination with the interior. The interior is lovely on it. I really love the checkered interiors on the Hurcans. It's pretty fucking smashed up though, so yeah, I mean, look, I wouldn't mind seeing them do the Evo, even though I've already seen them do the Hurcan, but I think they'll probably do it. But let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think of them doing another Lamborghini Hurcan build, because yeah, I'm a bit on the fence about it, but I wouldn't complain if they did. Next up, guys, is going to be a new channel that I found, and I finally found an Irish channel to cover that actually does some car builds. It's so hard to find them. I've come across these guys called 888 Media or 888 Competitions, because they do cars that they do raffles for as well. They're up in Dublin. I'm down Limerick, so Dublin gets all the spoils. They always have, like, so many modified cars up there, and there's none down here in Limerick. So these guys are basically doing the Rocket Bunny Porsche 991 wide arch kit, which is really cool. If you're into your Porsches and wide bodies, it'll come up here. This is basically what they're going for. This purple one that I've seen here, I just found it online. Basically, this is the same kit that they're putting on this one. They've added a bit of a twist to it. The front number plate here in Ireland, you have to legally have it on the front of the car. But he's come up with a device that actually flicks it out, which is really cool. I'd love to have one. It's a really nice kit. I like it. It's smooth. It's just really cool looking. It's a good build. It's good to see some Irish, car channels on YouTube doing builds, and just seeing what way it'll come out. It looks like it's going in for paint soon. So if you want to find a build, guys, or something to watch, I highly recommend go over and check out 888. Be a good build to check out and see what issues they have and what they come across, what colour they end up going, and wheels, etc. like that. So I will cover them again. We'll see what way it comes out. I think they're saying that it's going for paint now, so we'll see what colour they go, and yeah, it'll be interesting to see how this one ends up. Yeah, so go check it out, and we'll cover them again whenever it's finished. Next up is going to be Savage Garage, guys. So they basically have met up with Brooks from Jag Times, just messing around in Randy's P1, getting some fun facts from this guy that was giving a ridiculously amount of fun facts about McLaren and the P1, something about the in-housing of the turbos being made by Mitsubishi. The SMs, I think you call the same turbos that were in the old Eclipses, the 95 Eclipses. And just basically Randy doing pulls in his P1, which is insane. He basically was just messing around with Brooks in the 765 LT, and they weren't that too far apart either. It's crazy, like, you know, in the difference of when they were made. It's really, I mean, for me, the P1 is just up there in my top 5 of all my all-time favourite cars. One of the best rear ends ever, one of the best wings ever, one of the best styles ever. I would love to have one day. Jesus Christ, cryptocurrency, please. Just hit. All I need is money to go up to 60 cents or $1 and I'll be loaded. But yeah, I love the P1, and Randy's one is so sick as well. I think Brooks did mention about him when he gets his SF90 that they should do a track day. Now that would be interesting. I would love to see the P1 up against the 765 LT and the SF90 on a drag strip to see what way that would turn out. But yeah, whenever they do the SF90, whenever Brooks gets it, I will cover them doing a track day as well. Next up is going to be Paradox Rapper. He has gone and basically wrapped a Mazda RX-8 in midnight purple, but it's a bit of a flake on it. I like it. It's a really nice colour. The guy that gave him the car has white wheels. I'm not a fan of white wheels. I just don't like white wheels. And the front bumper looks like it still needs to be fixed on properly. The guy didn't do properly, but the colour itself is really nice. I really do like it. I would definitely rock it on one of my cars. It totally transformed the RX-8, made it look way better. The guy was delighted with it. Paradox does some really good work with his wraps, guys, and he has his own wraps as well. I've said it before in other videos, I do plan to hopefully get into wrapping myself whenever I can. I don't have a garage, guys. I don't have tools. I don't have any of that kind of stuff. So that's why I do all this, and there's no supercars where I live, as you know. But wrapping is something I really want to try and learn this summer. So Tech Wrap are offering wrap for like $250, $300 for a full roll. So it's something I plan on doing. I just don't know when, you know, money and all that kind of stuff, but I will let you know whenever I do it. But do check out the video, guys, link in the description below if you want to check out Paradox the Rapper. And I'd say last up on the list is going to be RDBLA. And RDBLA basically have ended up modifying a McLaren GT for a customer. I do like the McLaren GTs, and they're kind of like a 570-ish kind of on them. I do like them. They ride very high. I don't know why, but they just do. But I do like them. Would I buy one? I probably wouldn't, but I wouldn't mind one. It came out satin white with black wheels. It looked really sweet. And yeah, they always just do great work there. They also did actually a Lamborghini Urus. They, like, the one thing what I love about RDBLA and what they say that they do, which they stand by, and you can see it in their videos, is they can stance a car so fucking well. I don't know how they do it. How they stance the wheels on the Urus to be so close to the fenders and the arches is insane, and they just look so sick. I always said if I ever had the money and I lived in LA, I would definitely get these guys to be modifying any of my supercars, because they are one of the best out there. Love the mods they do, and I just love watching their channel. And Lewis, the guy Lewis that they have working for him, he's so funny. He's a great character to have on the videos. I really love watching RDBLA and the work they do. If you don't follow them, guys, highly recommend if you're into your supercars being modified. They are the channel to go to, and definitely check out. Again, link in the description below. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks a million again if you've watched to the end, and hopefully you will subscribe and give the channel a chance. And to all my regular people and new subscribers, again, thanks a fucking million. Just smash the like button, please, guys. It means the world to me. And just comment below, and I'll chat to you in the comments. So until the next episode, guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.